Hey, what's up guys? I'm Trey Wilder. I've been painting for about 7 years now, and I know what it's like to start out and not know anything about spray paint. So today, I'm here to run down a few of the fundamentals, and we're gonna have a little fun, and we're gonna paint something really cool, so stay tuned. So right here we have our doodle grid. It's a great tool in order to scale your artwork from something small to large walls and whatnot. So this is what we're painting today. So I brought my picture into, this is Procreate. Right on top of my doodle grid, I'm going to bring that opacity down to where I can see the X's and the O's. And from there, we transfer it to the wall. Really quick, nothing final. Some of these lines will be erased. We just want to make sure that we're quick, simple, and smooth lines. So I'm not really pressing too hard on the cap. My finger's on the edge of the cap. This gives me that sketch kind of feel. Working in smaller spaces, I like to outline with the skinny cap. If we were painting in a larger scale, I would use the Lego. So right now, I'm about to blur out the outlines. This gives us atmosphere, and it also covers up our formal doodle grid. So this is gonna take a lot of paint, so I'm about to mask up. I die next year from like spray paint poison. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna use a darker color to tighten up our sketch. This is gonna bring out all the details and drop in some of those shadows to really give us that 3D effect. Oh God, that's a nice purple in this motherfucker. Okay, okay, purple. So right here, I want to keep the shadow inside the mouth. Of course, you know, when you open your mouth, you're gonna have shadow coming from the top as per our picture. So I'm gonna paint like that. I'm aiming my can down, I'm putting in all my shadows for the tongue and for the teeth right now. One thing about spray paint is this is a full body experience. So notice, you'll see me, I'm up here one moment, I'm up here the next moment. So flowing with the tools, being one with the can. So now we have our outlines done. Now it's time for the fun part, the feel. When you're painting three-dimensional, you want to be mindful of how the light is hitting the figure. So I'm adding my shadows to the bottom of the shark right here. So now we're about to start working on the mouth. We're gonna do the actual pink tones first, and then we're gonna add the teeth. So I'm using my hand, using the glove as a shield to shield the spray. Like say if I don't want overspray on this side, I'll use my hand in order to shield it in. No. Don't worry about the overspray. We can come back and sharpen those teeth up with the darker spray. So the beauty about this is with the skinny cap, we're gonna create the teeth by spraying down but pulling our hand up. So we're gonna put a tooth right here. See how it comes to that point for you? It makes the point for you. So right here I have laminated paper. I use these to shield overspray. So I'm gonna give you guys an example of what I'm talking about. So right here for this tooth, I'm good. So now that we're at a good stopping point on this area. So now we're about to fill in this part. We're gonna use a little bit of blue. I have blue and I have some trout. This is a pretty cool color as well, so. Notice that even when I'm filling it in, I'm still using that can control. Still using that can control. Every now and then, you need to take a break, step back from the work, check it out. It really gives you a perspective. When you're all the time up on the painting, you really can't see the overall picture. So let's step back and check it out. It's getting there. We're like right there. Notice how when I do the gradient, I keep the flow even once the can has stopped spraying. And I slowly pull my hand away from the canvas. So first, there's a highlight around the eye. If you notice, a shark's eye is black, it's pitch black. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create the highlight outside the eye, and then we're gonna paint the eye black. We're gonna paint on top of that highlight we just created. So right here, I'm just gonna do like a half moon kind of thing. I'm gonna try to get us a little flick of the wrist right here. So I want to add one more little highlight, so I'm going to spray right here. I'm going to use my pinky. Now I want to just go around the whole thing with the final color and clean up any of the sketch lines. Yeah, putting the shark tag right now, just to complete the piece, you know what I'm saying? Make it look cool. Last but not least, thank you guys for sticking through the whole video. Hope you guys learned something. See you on the next one.